Hey friends, if you wish to fix Mozilla Firefox not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Firefox in the Windows search bar, expand this list here, and then you can click on Run as Administrator to open Firefox. If this doesn't help, then search for Firefox once again. Click on this download pointing arrow. There is no option to go to application settings, uninstall it. Click on these three dots here, uninstall it, uninstall it, uninstall it completely. Okay, we will terminate the process. And then we will click on next. And we will also uninstall any other version of Firefox on the system. Okay, it will need a while, but let it be uninstalled. Finish it. Then search for store in the Windows search bar. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Firefox here. And then go to Firefox and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.